The Department of Corrections performed a series of shakedowns at Georgia jails, and they found a treasure trove of contraband. These are just a few of the 11,000 items they found between July and September. Cell phone chargers, marijuana, meth, booze, SIM cards, and a lot of homemade weapons. Guards conducted almost 3 dozen shakedowns at state prisons and facilities this summer. They found more than 11,000 pieces of contraband.
All right, let's check.